Hello friends, welcome to Saurabh classes. This is the question from the GATE 2026 question number 18. This is the simple application of the squash lemma. So squash lemma क्या स्टेटमेंट है कि if f maps d to d be a analytic function which has 0 of order n, 0 of order n, then what is d? D is, suppose d is mod of z less than 1. Okay. So f map g to d be an analytic function which has 0 of order n, then mod of fz is actually less than mod of z to the power n. 0 of order n at origin. This is important. Then mod of fz less than z to the power n, mod of z to the power n, and mod of fn, that means nth time derivative of 0 is less than equals to n factorial, or strictly less than n factorial. Okay. So यहाँ पर क्या दिया गया है? D is in the problem given d is mod of z less than 1. Okay. And f0 equals to 0. That means f has 0 of order 1 at origin. This is given. So now therefore by Square's lemma, lemma, f dash 0 is less than equals to 1 factorial, because by putting n equals to 1, that means therefore mod of fz0 should be less than 1. ओके. अब देखिए यहाँ पर f डैश 0 क्या क्या हो सकता है, यहाँ पर ऑप्शन दिया गया है. अगर f डैश 0 5/2 i होगा तो mod of f डैश 0 क्या होगा? mod of 5/2 i. This is actually 5/2 which is greater than 1. This is wrong. Okay. 3/2, mod of 3/2 is actually 3/2 which is also greater than 1. This is also wrong. Mod of minus 5/2i which is also 5/2 which is also greater than 1. This is also wrong. Now mod of I by 10 will give equals to 1/10 which is less than 1. So the possible answer is B, and the single answer is correct. Therefore B is the true answer. So this problem is the simple application of Square's lemma from complex analysis. Thank you.